Where are we going today, Weber? Where are we going, Weber?
Our teacher were going to a Red Bull event.
Hi guys! So today we are going for the Red Bull showcase because there's an F1 car in Bombay and we're going to watch David Coulthard. Are you excited, Weber? Because your team is in town.
My team? Oh yeah, Red Bull is my team.
Just to annoy me. It's a full house!
Okay, so how was the experience for you? The reception has just been incredible, so thank you so much to Mumbai, thank you so much to India, and for everybody coming out today.
We are back home. That was amazing. So he was doing donuts right in front of us, and the car was on fire at the end of it. That's how good it was. Now we are shooting. Daksh is shooting some pictures for Weber, the star of the afternoon. Ma'am, are you also part of the shoot?
Yeah. These boys and girls, what you learn as I do my thing. Tell them classes in session, 종이 울려 thing. I'm a whole scene, but I can't be found.
Okay, so quick change. Later we are going to Fashion Week. Weber, you're going to Fashion Week.
Yeah, because I'm a fashion influencer now.
A fashion icon. Don't sing so small, sir. You're an icon.
Icon में थोड़ा time लगेगा, but influencer तो बोल सकते हैं.
So I am so badly burned from this morning. This is me.
Yeah, that sun was too hot.
Yeah, but we are going for St. Titler's show now. This is the only show that we are attending at Fashion Week. was your show?
It was hot. I
And
was
so
hot.
were you, clearly, because you lost your jacket.
I was literally hot. I chose the show. Well done, Sid.
And yeah, now I need some caffeine. I'm in desperate need of caffeine. So will you take me for coffee?
I'm so fucking cute, bitch. I'm so fucking cute.
So what are you wearing, Sherry?
I'm wearing my own clothes.
Yeah, that we know.
I'm so fucking cute. Kawaii,
My new
cutie
Singapore.
on the beat, cooking
Singapore.
up the heat. OMG, booty like Kylie, but shouty Taiwanese. Did you see her on the magazine and Times Square on the screens? Just like Reed, Fenty on my cheeks, Savage on his D. In the gym, sweat the RIP, practicing Tai Chi. Keep it chill, mental LIT. Keep it too spicy. Drop a PIC.
Makeup. Makeup, my good cookie.
I'm so fucking cute, bitch.
You have a good day?
I'm so fucking
You have a good day, Mama. Have a busy day. Just got home, took a shower. You can see the extent of my burns now. It's so bad. Like, look at that. Oh, I do not tan, guys. I burn, and this was just being in the sun for 2 hours today. Also, I'm sorry if you guys can hear a TV. I'm in the middle of two TVs back to this old room. One TV here, one TV there. Because my dad's still not too well, and I've come back to Kolaba. And yeah, I'm knackered. It was such a long day. Like, I felt like I've been on my feet since 9 a.m. on a Sunday, which is quite hectic. But it was so amazing. Like, amazing to see an F1 car in the city after so long and so up close. Like, I mean, Arjun from the podcast obviously invited us, and we had like amazing seats. So, what you're watching or what you watched in the vlog is like, because David was doing like donuts right in front of us, which was pretty amazing. And yeah, now I'm just gonna eat some snacks. So I have bought 100 snacks from Singapore, but these are not what I bought. These are salami truffle chips. These my friend Nandini got me as a present from Thailand. She went in. So these are not for you. These are my chips. Somebody else is interested. But guys, you guys are gonna be watching a lot of vlogs. I should warn you. You will see like the vlog before Singapore. You will see this vlog, and you will see my Singapore vlog. And yeah, right now I'm gonna snack on these, watch something, and unwind because it's been a hectic Sunday, and then gonna maybe order something for dinner. What should I order? Guys, my home dinner looks so great. I didn't need to order. Watching murders. Okay, peeps. I have just topoed a really thick layer of aloe gel all over right now, and it is so hot that I'm considering getting an AC at least for this room, because I shoot here and it's ridiculous in the summer, and it's getting that way. Right now I have my Dyson like right here. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. And the fan. I've had to switch it off to film this, but it's so hot even with it. Um, Today's vlog is going to be a bit short and different. I think the other two vlogs coming your way, one would have come, one will be coming, are much longer. But this was a day full of my 3 favorite Fs. What are they? Can you guess? Food, fashion, F1. And it was just one of those days where, you know, you feel like you have a wholesome, full life doing things that you love. Well, today was one of those days for me, because all the 3 things that I really love, I did in one day. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, I'm burnt, but I'm content. I hope you liked the vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite part from today's vlog. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.